Hi, good morning to everyone.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, so today we are meeting again in our NPI live. So today I'm wearing the shirt, the powered by Raspberry Pi. I think last time I forgot to wear
Oh,
during the live. So today I'm wearing the red color. so
yeah.
I
I
think
already wear the shirt, the Raspberry Pi design shirt, so I wear another one. But this one
uh
is also Cytron shirt.
I think Don is the makers shirt, right? I think okay. We see
Yeah.
we have our first viewer here, Roichi. Roichi Bang. Good morning. Hi. Yeah, you are the first one for today. You are the first for today,
Yeah.
and yeah, Haire didn't wear. Yeah, he said he's already wear previously, so he's not wearing it today. But anyway, he's wearing the other version, which is the our makers t-shirt. So, or there will be blue version. No. For Raspberry Pi, only one color. It will be always be red color.
Yeah.
So anything will be only red color. So, yeah. And yeah, here some more comments. First one get super draw. I think we'll give some time first. We can't do it very early. So we will do it a bit, not to say a bit late, but we will do it once we started lah. So and yeah, Hailing mentioned morning, Hailing. Thanks for
Morning.
tuning in with us this morning. Yeah, and also from Jackie Chai. Hi, Jackie Chai. Uh, thanks for joining us this morning. So okay, for today, we do have quite a number of interesting product. Even though
Yes.
some of the product are the variation, not a new product actually, but we do have apart from that, we do have some of other new products which you might be interested with. Right, I think without further ado, we can start. Morning, I get my. Oh, good. Silvercho already got his T-shirt, so you already wear it.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I mean maybe it's too early lah to just to ask. I think we already circulate the form for the if we want to change the time, our NPI lifetime to another day and time. So I think some of the viewers already responded. We still haven't closed the form yet. We still maybe this week or for the next week we will close it, and then we will see how we go about it. And also Bella Lam today also got t-shirt. Oh, today no t-shirt. Today
No
is
more
gonna
this.
be no t-shirt. Today is gonna be a different giveaway lah. Later
Yes.
later Hyrel will show what is the giveaway for today. Right?
Yeah.
And okay, yeah, I think we can go for our start with the NPI. But before we go to the NPI, as usual, we want to make some of the announcement. So we still have the Robo Pico, which we recently launched. So you still enjoy the 20% off. We have another 3 more days. It's from the 3rd to 60th of July. So we have another 3 more days before the offer ends up. So if you're interested, you can try to grab this while the offer lasts. That's the first one. And the second one, currently we have the Raspberry Pi 4B 1GB kits is still available. So you can try to
The,
grab it if
the,
you
the cheapest version for
yeah
Raspberry Pi 4B. Yeah.
yeah, the cheapest one. Usually the students are looking for the cheapest one.
Yeah.
So we already, since we understand the requirement from the students, so we make it enable and it's available for you to buy. And the last announcement is that if you already purchased the Raspberry Pi 4B previously, so the 4GB and the 8GB version, you can still come and buy again, because previously you cannot buy, but now we make it available for you again, so that you'll be able to purchase it if you have any additional requirements or for your future project or anything. Right, so that's the announcement that we want to make before we start with our NPI for today. And before that, we have some more viewers from Homitech saying morning. Homitech. And also from Saifulko. Good day, everyone. Yeah, good day and good morning to you also, Saifulko. Right. Okay, I think we can start our NPI for today. Right, so let's go to the first product for today. Right, the first product for today is the Nano Base A board for Raspberry Pi CM4 and kids. And this is actually a variation actually. We already talked about this product previously.
Yeah, we have the new option, which is the carrier board plus CM4, the middle one. Okay. This one. Yeah, so we have a new option where this option comes with the CM4 no wireless, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB eMMC. So this is the new option lah, not new product. So we include in this kit, Nano Base A.
Kit, yep. So if you are interested in buying this one, so this is the additional option. We made it available for you, so you can grab this product. I mean, the easiest way to buy it, I mean, you need to add one by one. So you just choose this this variation option, then you can straight away purchase the item. So since we already talked quite a number of time about this product, so we are not gonna go in detail. So as usual, you can come to the product page here to know what are the items in the packing list that you will receive for this variation kit. Alright, so this one will have the carrier board, the CM4 plus the power supply unit. So you have three items basically. Right, so the price for this variation kit is 405 ringgit and 60 cents. Currently we have a 2% off for this product, so you can try to grab this while the you can say the offer lasts, even though it's quite small, it's about around 2%. Alright, so let's move to the next product. Okay, so before that we have some question from Saifulko first. So the question is, any plans expanding smart home catalog? So are we any plans, Hairil? I mean, to bring in more. I think what Saifulko wants, any smart home related product or devices.
Yeah. For now, we have the categories for smart home, right? To be honest, we want to discontinue the smart home category because one of the main reasons is the movement the slow movement in Malaysia. I don't know, maybe people in Malaysia is not really interested in smart home. Yeah, we have some but not many. So macam mana how to say tak worth it to bring because of.
But I think the one we have is the Sonoff. Yeah, Sonoff. We have quite a number of Sonoff. On Sonoff
now. We slowly discontinue one by one the products.
Okay. Maybe if you see the support or the needs for the smart home devices is, there's any needs from the customer side or what, maybe then we may change our way forward maybe we start to bring in more right. But I think at the moment we have quite a number of Sonoff products even though not the very latest product, but still the basic one, like if you want to plug and play, you want to do the monitoring, for that one we do still have it.
Yeah, actually for Thailand, probably we also have request for Sonoff product in Thailand. So maybe there's a lot of request, then we can continue to expand the smart home category. Yeah.
Right. And another one is from Candy Wong. Say hi. Say hi, hi.
Right.
And from CS Lee, hi, good morning. Morning. And Saifulko mentioned that, yeah. Hopefully we answered your question. And from Chris, I see black screen. Not sure why you're saying black screen. I hope all the other viewers are okay. Not sure if you're having any issues. Chris.
Yeah, please let us know lah.
Because sometimes we also don't know. I mean, we think that everything is going smoothly, but then only if you feedback to us, then we see that something is not going as it should be. Right. Okay, so I think we answered the questions. So let's move to the next product for today. So the next product for today is the Piunora Raspberry Pi CM4 carrier board and kits. Okay, so this one also we have talked quite a few times.
Yeah, this one also a new option the middle one. So the new option
this one,
comes
okay.
A new types of CM4.
Okay. So this one comes with the no wireless, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB eMMC. So if you see the Piunora board is more like it takes the Arduino form factor. Arduino form factor. So it's exactly like the Arduino, and only that the pinouts and also the peripherals are quite different. So you can see that you have a USB Type C, USB port, and also a HDMI port, also the SD card reader port. So, but this one is mainly for CM4 carrier board lah. This one is Piunora, and for this since this one is a variation, so there's no any discount for this product. So just a variation. So if you want to know more detail about the product or what are the things that you will get for this variation, you can always come to the product page to know more about the product. Right? Yeah. We are not go very detail. No, we are not go in detail since we already have talked about this. Right? So let's move to the next product.
Wow,
okay. Before that,
interesting.
I think we need to answer some question. From Techno316, Sonoff now already discontinued. Not really discontinued. Maybe we can just show.
You can go to the categories. It's okay, go to categories.
Categories.
IoT.
IoT.
Okay,
sorry. I think I straight away get smart home. Okay.
Yes.
So we do still have
now we only have 5 products.
5 products. Yeah. I think previously we have quite a lot. I remember quite a lot. I remember we have quite a lot.
So we just continue one by one.
Because the movement. Understand.
Yeah.
But
and
anyway,
some of the product the supplier is continuing. So we need to no stock from supplier so we need to discontinue it.
Discontinue as well understand. Yeah. So yeah. So hopefully actually, let's say yes I did.
Yeah, actually I like the plug one. I cannot remember the name. R4.
The Sonoff product also, right?
Yeah, the plug one, and then you can control to turn on and turn off by using smartphone.
Yeah. I remember that one.
Yeah.
The one is more like plug and play, quite easy to use. Yeah. Right. So yeah, as we mentioned now, so it doesn't mean like we are not after this. There'll be no more smart home products. They might be some. We do bring in some other smart home products, but that all still depends on the demands. The demand. If we see there's any demand from the customer side, so definitely we will try our best to bring in more and more products related to the smart home. Right. So we hope we answered Techno316 question. And another one more question is from Techmon TC. Hi sir, any plan to sell Raspberry Pi 02 separately as a single board? currently only 2 options available to buy with SD card and power option.
Display 0. Let me see.
So yeah, I think at the moment we only do the packages. I mean in the bundle lah, bundle form.
So I know why we took it, because for now we have limited stock lah. So
yes.
If later we have quite number of stock, then we can open single board lah. Similar case like the 54B lah, 54B, 54 8GB.
Yes. I think later we will try to open up more option lah. So yeah, at the moment, like you mentioned, Tekmon, yes, the one is correct. So at the moment, we only have these 2 options. So maybe once the stock, the supply improve, then we can enable the other 2 options as well.
Yes.
Yep. But as usual, you can always click the notify me. I mean, just if you are unaware when it's gonna be when we wanna enable it, when it's gonna be available, so you can always click the notify me button. Just click the item, then just click the notify me button. So later you will be notified once the item is back in stock. Right? So I think we hope answered your question. So and then Candy Wong mentioned loading. I'm not sure which one for loading for. I'm not sure. So which one better? Which one? Maybe you can make the question a bit clearer, Roichi Peng. We are not sure for which one. Oh yeah, I mean if you are referring to the bundle, then usually the bundle is slightly cheaper lah, rather than you buying. If you are buying all these item separately, one by one, definitely this bundle will be the price will be higher. Yep. So the bundle will be much more cheaper lah.
Yes.
Right. So I think we hope to answer the question. And Tekmon say thanks sir, got it. You're welcome, Tekmon. And 02 is quite good. Just that the RAM is only 512 MB. If 1 GB, the limitation is the RAM lah. But if you are using it for very like minimal application, whereby depends on the application. If for like very low, the application which doesn't require any high power, doesn't require like intensive high processing or what, it definitely easy to use. For instance, now like I tried a few things with the Raspberry Pi 02. Some of them are the Pi hole, like for the server, and also for the
S-Broker.
S-Broker, yeah, S-Broker, and also the Pi signage. If you want to do some digital signage, the one is in our tutorial. Maybe later you can just have a look, and the one is running quite smoothly without any issue. So definitely it depends on our application. Definitely you can take the Pi 02 and try to do image processing or some of the difficult processing which requires high power. Definitely that's gonna be hang your Raspberry Pi 02. So you can try to decide wisely. I mean, what are the requirements and how much the processing power that you will need. So by doing that, you won't get any issue or face any problem. And also hold me that for 1 or 2 project in 1 0 is fine. More than 2 then very hard. Yeah, correct. Right. Okay, so let's move to the next product. This is the interesting product like Hyrail mentioned just now.
Yeah.
So we just recently launched this product also.
Yeah.
So
and we also already gave to some of you guys the reviewers for free.
Yeah. Around 20 pieces, right, Hyrail?
20 plus. I think 20 plus. I cannot remember.
Yeah, 20 plus. So
most of them already give their feedback, and good feedback lah. Maybe some of them the feedback is this board is similar like Robo Pico lah, but actually there's a big difference between these two lah.
Yep. So okay, the board is with me, so I'm just gonna walk you through very quickly. Not very. We're not going through very in detail lah. So you can see the board comes in a very compact box. It's like this. So inside here you will receive this board. It's without the Pico W or the Pi Pico. Don't get me wrong. You need to buy it separately. And what else you will get inside the box is you'll get the groove cable. You get the screwdriver, one screwdriver. You'll get the standoff, the plastic standoff.
Footer.
Pardon? Footer, yeah. So you can stick at the bottom of the here, so that it won't touch the base, won't touch the bottom of the table or any conducting material. And also inside here, you will receive 4 groove cable. One end is the groove type, as you can see here. One end is the groove type, and the other end is the female jumper. So you'll receive 4 actually.
Yeah.
Right. So that's what you'll get inside the box. And bear in mind, this one is not a maker series. This one is it's going to be a new series. It's going to be a Robo Pico.
Robo series.
Robo series, yeah. Maybe it's like we call it Robo series.
Yeah.
So starting from this product, it's going to be a different name. Before this, if you see our maker all, they will call it as a Maker Uno, and you'll have the maker lah. But now it's going to be like Robo. So maybe we can start to see some of the different products lah. Not sure. Then we need to wait and see actually. Alright. So on top here, you have the LiPo connector, which also shows the LED indicator if it's charging, and this one is for the normal wire to connect it. So you have the input range is 3.6 to 6 volt, and this one is for the DC motor connector. You have 2 ports here for the DC motor connector, motor 1 and motor 2, and this one is for the servo. You can connect up to 4 different servo at one time. And this one is the on-off to turn on and off your device. And this 1, 2, 3, 4 push button is for control each of the each pair is for one motor to control. Without any programming, you can straight away control it. And here are 6 sorry, you have 7 groove ports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groove ports, and 1 maker port here, the small one, which is similar to the quick. And on top also you have, on this side you have another 3 more push buttons. So this is the reset button, and another 2 more configurable push button. And another good part is that all the parts here are labeled, so you don't need to refer to the datasheet or the PDF file to know which port is connected to which one. So all are labeled very clearly here, as you can see, which pin. And also apart from that, even if you plug in the Raspberry Pi Pico W or Pico, you still have access to the pins on top of here. It's a female type, and you can easily use the jumper wire to access it. Not necessarily you need to use the groove port only, but you also have the option to access the individual pins actually. And also you have 2 RGB LED, 0 and 1, 2 RGB LED, and you have a piezo buzzer and the control to turn on and off the buzzer. Right, I think that's about very detailed explanation on the, not very detailed, very on the surface the explanation. So even if you are plugging in the board, you can see underneath here there is a label here which shows how you should plug in your Raspberry Pi Pico W or the Raspberry Pi Pico lah, so that you won't mount it in the wrong direction. So there's an indicator down here, so you know that you need to plug it this way. Alright, so this is very compact in size. So if you can see, I'm just putting on my palm size, so it just fit nicely. And if you want to mount it on a Lego or on a normal type, you still have access to the 4 holes here on the side, on the 4th side, 1, 2, 3 and 4 side here. Alright, so that's about the Robo Pico board. So if you own a board, then you can definitely write a name here. And also at the bottom here, everything is labeled clearly, so you can know that which are the ports that are connected to which one and how to use it. Right. Right, I think that's about the Robo Pico. Okay, let me minimize it. Right. So
I have one with me also, but this one
okay.
is attached with the Robo Pico H. So you can also use with the Robo Pico H. But the
Okay, okay.
highlight, the Robo Pico Raspberry Pi Pico H.
Raspberry Pi Pico.
The Raspberry Pi Pico H. But the highlight of this Robo Pico is using with the Pico W lah, so that you can have access to the wireless connectivity.
Yes, correct. And okay, you can always come to the product page here to know more about the details of the product, how it differs, and how you can use it. What are the use case of this product? So as you can see, it's not only for, even though it's called Robo Pico, it doesn't stop at doing robotic projects only. You can still use it for your IoT project, since it has the Wi-Fi and also it has the battery capabilities. So you can, it's portable lah. It's portable. You don't need to station it in one place. You can always carry it to the outside if you have it doing any environmental reading or anything. So yeah, it's a very detailed product page here. So you can always come to the product page here to know more about the product, the key features of the product, as well as the use example case of the product. So okay, let me just go down here. Yeah, so these are the variation of the different packing lists that you will receive, and these are some of the related tutorials that we already have at the moment. Yeah, and also how to get started. Right, so for this product you have 3 different variation for this product. The first one is the Robo Pico only. For the Robo Pico only, the actual price is 59 ringgit and 60 cents. Currently we are giving 20% off for this product, so you can grab this for 47 ringgit and 68 cents. And the next option is the Robo Pico plus Robo Pico plus with the Raspberry Pi Pico with pre-soldered headers. So you don't need to solder the header, it's pre-soldered. The price for this product is 90 ringgit and 50 cents. And currently we are giving 15% off for this product, so you can grab this for 76 ringgit and 68 cents. And the last option is the Robo Pico plus the Raspberry Pi Pico W with pre-soldered header as well. And the actual price for this product is 150 cents, and we are giving 14% off for this product as well, so you can grab this for 86 ringgit and 68 cents. So for all this product, we have 3.5 days more before the offer ends. And we have quite a number of in the stock, so don't worry about the stock. So you can grab this with the offer price. Yes, Irene.
Actually, this product is, the movement is quite fast lah since the launching date, and the current stock is the second batch already.
Oh, second batch. I see. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the first batch already finished, so this is the second batch. Yeah. So quite fast.
So I think this board is very useful. I mean, first of all, it's very compact lah, and you have all the basic components or peripherals. We can say what you need to get started to build a robot. So definitely you can put a controller there, and you have all the motor drivers, everything there. The power management is there. So it's just up to you what kind of robot or what kind of project you want to do with this kit actually. Right, so yeah, that's about the product. Now we have quite a number of questions. So yeah, I didn't get. Oh, sorry, Rochi Peng. I'm not sure what you are trying to say, but anyway, you can just put it back in the comments so we can just try to answer. Hi sir, for Robo Pico, I'm curious if there is any enable pin for PWM motor control, something similar like I don't think so there's any enable pin. So but definitely you can control the movement through the controlling the pin basically. The two pins which are connected to the motor actually. And you can always refer to the tutorial. There's a tutorial page on how to use for the motor. So the enable pin, we need to check first. As far as I know, there's no. Yes, idea.
The enable pin is for what?
I don't know. Usually for the L298, you have another additional one more pin. So if you enable that pin, it is like on off, like on off for the motor driver lah. So if you disable the enable pin, even if you are giving any signal for the motor driver, it won't work. You need to enable it first. Yeah, that's how it works. So I think for this one, there's no, but we can double confirm it later. So maybe we just make a small video or what on how to do it lah. Right, and Candy Wong said my line is slow, right?
Yeah.
Mine also lag. Oh, sorry for that. But here,
don't let during the giveaway lah.
yeah. Yeah. Then I wish this board can support more wider. Yeah. I think this feedback is we received this feedback actually from quite a number of the users actually. Because everyone is requesting for more wider external voltage range. Maybe if we have another upcoming revision, we might consider this. We need to feedback this to the design team.
Actually, the main, if I'm not mistaken, actually the main concept is for the servo pin. So for the servo, I think it can, to be safe, the maximum is 6 volt. If higher than that, it can damage the servo pin. If I'm not mistaken. So
understand. But anyway, we can feedback this to the design team. See that there is the one. I mean, like there are more and more people are requesting for this. The voltage range.
Maybe for that solution, you can remove the servo and put out a wider external voltage.
Yeah. We can do something like that. Yeah, I mean, anyway, we'll feedback this to the design team. So if there's any like feedback, definitely we'll feedback. We'll take into consideration and see how possible or how valid for us to consider it right. And so the middle one is the product that so the middle one is the product just now. I mean the board, I mean you can buy the Robo Pico itself or else you can buy also together with the Raspberry Pi Pico either the Pi Pico W or the Pico H. So you can buy it by that. And still have mystery gift for the first 50. I think this one is finished.
We don't know. To be honest, we don't know how many people already buy this. So we need to ask the fulfillment team if already reached first 50, and then should be no more mystery gift.
No more mystery gift. You can just chat with us, Homitech, just to confirm. If you want to really confirm, then just chat with the genies. So as for now, we don't have it. We also need to check with the fulfillment team, like what Hairil mentioned just now. Right. So we hope we answered the question. So seriously, I just back ordered the Robo Pico kit. Oh, thank you. Seriously, thank you for the support. Right.
Robo Pico kit is the next product.
And is there any improvement or different for the second mesh? No, I mean for the moment I think there's no any improvement yet. So
Yeah.
this is this is the second batch of production lah, basically we would say.
Yeah.
Second batch of
So
production.
restock. No, not
Restock.
a new improvement, just
A new
the normal
improvement, yeah.
restock.
So we just like reproduce back lah the first batch,
Yeah.
but it's a reproduction lah. And this one more. NV is for it's on the current pin in BocoBot is for direction control. Yes.
I see.
The current one is for the direction. Yeah. I don't think so. The ENB is there, but anyway we can just check. And so I must now spam. I'm here. Oh, don't worry. We know you are here. Just that. Make sure to respond if you are selected as one of the giveaway winner. Just make sure to respond during that time. That's the crucial time actually.
Yeah.
But we want you all to be here lah. I mean, so that this our NPI live will be more engaging. We really do appreciate this. So that it's a more like more engaging rather than we are talking only. This one we are getting the feedback and question from you guys. So we do really appreciate it. Right. So I think that's about the Robo Pico product, and we can move to the next product for today.
Before that, we can go to the giveaway first.
All right. So we're gonna do the giveaway, the first giveaway for today.
Yeah. Okay. So let me reveal the prize first.
Yep. Now maybe we can show the price first.
Oh, I forgot to bring another one. So today we have 3 winners, which is the
three.
first. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have 3.
2 winners will get the Seed Studio group multi-color flash. So this is multi-color LED, so you can use with group wire, and you can also use with the Robo Pico lah, directly connect with the group port. And another one, I forgot to bring the power adapter. We need power adapter.
Our Cytron power adapter.
No,
Not
Cytron product. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, cheap.
So,
yeah, we can see you guys. Don't worry. Yeah, already start. About to start, JK.
So I go for the first spin.
Yep. Let's do the first spin for today. Oh, we have a new member, Sultan. 2811. He's from IG. Are you with us? Are you with us? Sultan 2811 from IG. If you are here, then just inform us. You are here.
Yeah.
Usually we give 10 seconds. So you need to respond within that, so that we know that you are here and we can give away the prize to you.
Okay, let's start.
Countdown, yeah.
10, 9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
And
No. Okay, we need to choose
remove.
another winner.
Here's the spin.
Saifulko was here just now.
Yeah, I think
So
he...
please respond. Okay,
I
and
know
then we
you
need
are
to.
lagging or what.
Yeah, we hope you are not lagging. Right, so let's do
Let's start the
the countdown as well.
Yes.
So 10,
10, 9,
9,
8,
8, 7,
7, 6,
6,
5,
5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2, 1. So
So Saifulko didn't respond, No
Yeah.
response from Saifulko.
to be fair, we need to eliminate Cypherco. Yeah, so we must proceed with the next pin.
Next one. Solamek.
Salamat from Instagram.
Solamek. Are you here, Solamek? So we need to do the countdown also.
Yeah,
So let's do the countdown.
10,
10,
9,
9. Oh, he's here.
oh,
Techno
Teco.
3-1. Teco.
Teco
Okay.
316. So congrats. So congrats Teco. Don't forget to contact our genius to give your
Genius, yeah.
details.
Details, yeah.
So I think you can continue with the NPI back.
Yeah, we can continue with the NPI. So for the next product, it's an interesting product as well. It's a new product. It's a kit from Cytron. We call it
Yeah.
BocoBot. This one like this one I remember like the Bobo Boy Ocho.
Yeah,
Ocho
macam what?
Ocho Bot. This one is BocoBot.
Yeah. So if you guys wondering how we come up with the name BocoBot, actually BocoBot is the name is from the Robo Pico expansion board. So Robo Pico, we take the last two words from Robo and Pico, so it's become BocoBot.
Oh,
So
okay. That's okay. I thought
So,
maybe some of them are the fans of the Bobo Boy. That's why they bring the Boco Boy. Right. You want to show the
Yeah,
product? Is it?
I have the
Okay.
product with me. Maybe I can demo a bit.
Sure. Let me bring your window. Oh wait.
Okay.
Let me just change it. Oh, you want to read here? Now I bring your window already. Is it okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Let me explain the features first. Just on this robot. So this is our new robot lah, new family, new robot into our league. So as you can see, this is the Robo Pico. Robo Pico, and I use this with the Robo Raspberry Pi Pico W.
Mm-hmm.
So for now we only plan to use with the Pico W lah, to have the wireless connectivity so that we can control with the Wi-Fi. And then this robot using a new cases. Maybe some of you guys first time seeing this type of case, which is this is the plastic case, and it comes with a lot of holes because
Okay.
yeah, it lets you to freely customize the robot lah, so you can screw anywhere that you like, and it also can support a lot many more types of board since it has a lot of holes. Yeah. So for the Robo Pico, you can see here, you can screw here and
Yeah, you can see the screw there. Yep.
Yeah,
It holds
strong
strongly.
enough to hold the
Okay.
Robo Pico. Yeah. And then that's about the case. And then it comes with 3 types of sensor. All the sensor is in front of the robot. We have the metal line.
Metal line.
Metal
Okay.
line.
That's the metal
Our
line there.
product metal line. And then LDR sensor for light.
Mm-hmm.
And then ultrasonic for the distance. Distance. And all the sensor is connected using the groove. Yeah, very easy to connect.
Okay. So there's no any like wiring, difficult wiring. You just like plug and play.
This is the groove port.
Uh-huh.
And then for the power supply, and for the power supply, we use 4 pieces of AA battery,
AA battery.
and then we connect to the battery port.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, here you can see,
Yeah, you
the
can
whole, can insert the wire through the hole.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it use the maximum volt lah, 6 volt for AA battery, which is the 6 volt voltage. And then for the motor, we just use the standard TT motor, connect to the motor driver, motor A and B, motor 1 and motor 2. And then what's more, and we have caster. I think that's all lah. So maybe I can do a demo bit. Okay, let me share my screen.
Oh, you can see the
screen, right? Yeah.
Now,
So
okay,
this
now I
is-
can see.
Yeah, this is for Wi-Fi control lah. And then we turn on the Robo Pico. Yeah.
Yeah, can.
Yeah,
Wait, I just want to
taking
change
time to
the
connect to Wi-Fi.
change the view. Oh, okay. It's okay. I change back. It's okay. I just checking the one. If I can show the control and now you're pressing. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm pressing the right.
Oh,
Turn
okay. You
left.
can see, but it's quite small to see. But still, you can see the robot moving.
Sometimes the it depends on your
Oh,
wireless
you're a bit lagging.
Wi-Fi
Uh-huh.
connection lah. Oh, I think lagging right.
You're a bit lagging, Harry. A bit lag.
Oh, sorry for that.
Or is
Sorry
it
for
from
that.
my side? I think it's okay now.
But I think you can see the demo here.
Oh yeah, it's moving. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. I mean, kids will love it. Kids. I mean, like.
But I think the Wi-Fi connection here is quite slow.
But we can see I mean, it's not lagging. It's not lagging. It's quite responsive.
So just all for the demo. You can go to the product.
Product page. Yep. Okay, so this is the product page. So for what Hairil has explained just now, so you can have like 5-in-1 robot, the BocoBot. So this basic movement, obstacle avoidance, light searching, line following, remote control using Wi-Fi. So it's quite interesting product. So you can always do a lot of different kind of things, and definitely this one will be
demo video here for each project.
Yep. So definitely this one will be very useful kit for the kids who just want to learn about robotics and everything, and so on. Very useful. I mean, they don't need to headache thinking of the wiring and everything. They just can easily. It's not quite very easy. Still, they need to have some skills to understand where to plug and everything, and then they can start readily start to program the robot.
Yeah.
Right.
And for code also we provided for all the 5 projects in our GitHub. So no need to worry about the code.
Okay, you can just download it and study the code, and you can modify. Once you know, you can understand, then you can start to modify. Right, and for this one, for BocoBot with Raspberry Pi W included, so this one is out of stock at the moment. But
this one same like Robo Pico lah. The first batch already finished. So currently we restocking.
Restocking.
The second batch lah. Restock.
So you need to be fast if not, because it runs out very fast. So you need to be fast to grab it. But yet we just want to mention the discount. So for this one we have the 16% discount. So the actual price will be 130 ringgit, and with the discount you can buy this for 135 ringgit. And the second one is the BocoBot without the Raspberry Pi Pico W. For this one, the actual price is 125 ringgit, and with the offer 20% off, you can buy this for 100 ringgit. So bear in mind, even though it doesn't come with the Raspberry Pi Pico W, the bundle is not there, but then you can still buy it separately lah. You can buy separately, but only that you won't get the offer price lah. You'll end up paying a bit more. So anyways, still you have 6 more days to go. You can try to click the notify or the you can click the notify me button.
Yeah,
So
notify me for the kit with Raspberry Pi Pico W.
Yes.
Yeah, without Raspberry Pico you can already
Buy order. Start to order.
Yeah, start to order this.
You can start to order. Yep. So this is quite interesting product actually. So try to grab this while the offer and the stock lasts. Right. Actually, we have a few questions here regarding the product, I would say. So this one is for the techno, say thank you, and then Roy Chipang, win many time, and Homitech. Yeah, 2 more prize at the end. Yeah, correct.
Yes.
2 more giveaway. And first pandang BocoBot nasobot. Bocor.
Melata.
Then BocoBot look cute. Yeah, BocoBot look cute. Yes. And the case is 3D printed. I think it's not 3D printed.
No.
It's not. It's a molded. Molded.
Yes.
So but you can 3D print actually this one using the file. I mean just remember the dimension and where the holes is located. Once you have that info, then you can start to design your own robotic base using any software. And we have this battery not from Cytron. Maybe he's referring to the battery high rate at the bottom.
I'm using the
whatever battery available.
Yeah.
I understand.
So
but if you're buying the product, then if the battery is included, you will receive the the normal one from our side, not the other one, not the one you see in the video.
Second image.
A second image, right?
Second image.
Yeah, you will receive this battery, the PK cell. Yeah, you will receive the PK cell battery actually. And yeah, that's about the product. Okay, yeah, and Homitech commented, I think this kit quite good for beginners and also kids to start with. Yes, totally agree with that. So this one is very good for the beginners actually, to start with the robotics and programming and so on. Right, so we have seen about the product and also the price. So let's move to the next product for today. So this is yet another interesting product. It's recently launched by Arduino. This is the new Arduino UNO R4. It's no longer R3, it's a R4. So you have 2 options. The first one is the Arduino UNO R4 WiFi, which is already available in our store, and the other one is the Arduino UNO R4 Minima. So the Arduino UNO R4 WiFi is with Hyril, so maybe Hyril can show the product.
But I don't know I can open it or not. Because the box is sealed.
Sealed? Oh, okay.
Yeah. So maybe I can just show the box how it looks like. And at the back you can see the specification. So the packing should be in the product page nothing special. But to highlight the UNO R4 WiFi, it comes with the ESP32S3 chip, same like our Microfader S3 IoT. So it's using the same chip. It can connect to Wi-Fi, but I know not test it yet with Arduino IDE. And then it comes with the LED matrix like microbit.
Yes.
So quite interesting, the Wi-Fi version. And for the minimal version, it's on the way. Coming soon. Yes.
So maybe you can click the notify me button. So if you really wanted to grab the Arduino UNO R4 Minima in the to be one of the first one to grab, you can always click the notify me button. So for the Arduino UNO R4, we have 18 more in stock at the moment. So you can always come to the product page here to know more about the product. And also, it's using a different microcontroller. It's no longer using the Atmel, so it's using the Renesas. So it's more powerful compared to its predecessor board. And also it comes with the ESP32S3 for the wireless connectivity, and it has an onboard dot matrix display as well. So it makes quite cool board actually to own and to get your hands on to work with that the board. So here are the packing list for the board, what you will get inside the box. So yes, there's the usual items inside the box, and using a different IC. You can see here the connectivity you have for the Wi-Fi and also for the Bluetooth. And the chip is using two different chips. One is for the processor, which is the Renesas, and also it is using the ESP32S3 mini. And the clock is 48 megahertz. The RAM is 32 kilobyte, and you have 4 different type of interface: UART, I2C, SPI, and CAN. And the voltage for the operating voltage is 5 volt. The input range can be 6 to 24 volt. And here are the pinouts. You have 14 digital, 6 analog, 6 PWM, and 1 ADC. And the highlight of this product is that it has LED matrix, 12 by 8 LED matrix, and also it comes with the quick connector. The quick connector is the smallest one up here.
Yeah, quick connector. Same like BocoBot lah.
Yeah, same like BocoBot. Exactly the same actually. Only the way we are calling it is a bit different.
If you see on Robo Pico, this is what we call BocoBot, the small one.
Yep.
So similar like quick. Same lah, just different name.
Yep, definitely. Right, so the price for this product is 151 ringgit and 25 cents. So this is the official product, so there's no any discount available for this product. Right, so let's move to the next product for today. So this is a normal. I think previously we carried a different one. So this one is the USB 3.1 to M.2 dual protocol NVMe or NGFF B plus M key with USB-C cable. So this one is using the USB-C type. So if you own a NVMe 2242 or M.2 2280 and you want to use it as a portable drive, portable USB drive, so definitely this product will be very useful. And I think Hairil has the product.
The product is me. So
it's look very compact.
Very minimalist. Then to open, you just push this and
there's no any screw, just like plug and play. Just need to.
So it can support 4 different size of SSD. And then to mount the SSD, you just need to use this. I don't know what they call this. Just push the what you call this? It's not screw.
No, it's not screw. It's like something like plug, removable plug or something.
I don't know how to.
I don't know the term. I can't recall the term also.
You just put your NVMe or SSD and then just push that thing on top of that. So very easy, no screw.
Okay. So that looks very easy to use. I mean, very handy lah. I mean, if you want to remove and change to another one, you don't need to screw and unscrew again. You need to do that, right? So this one is compatible with both the NVMe and SATA SSD. So you don't need to worry about that. And here is shown the 4 types of different hard drives with different lengths that is supported by this device. So it supports the 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. Alright. And yeah, that's about the product. For more detail of the product, you can always come to the product page here to know more the detail of the product. So the actual price for this product is 60 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product as well. So you can grab this for 48 ringgit. We have 13 around 13 days, 13 or 14 days. You can say for almost like 14 days before the offer ends, and we have 2 more in stock while the stock lasts. Right, so if you are interested, you can try to grab this product while the stock lasts. And with this, we have come to the final product for today, which is the xTool Smoke Purifier. So this one is specifically dedicated for the xTool. It's from xTool itself. So this one is for the purifier. So if you are doing you are doing the indoor work whereby it's an enclosed area, so definitely you will need the smoke purifier basically. So let's see.
Yeah.
So let's see here.
Used to connect with the xTool lah, xTool M1, xTool D1 Pro.
D1 Pro, yeah. This one is very
P2.
portable lah.
This
one is very portable. It can be mounted at the bottom there, so you can see it from the picture. And yeah, here is the video, but I'm not sure. It's one quite long video. Maybe later you can 6-minute video. Later you can come and drop by our product page here to know more about the detail. So these are the compatible devices. It's compatible with xTool P2, xTool M1, xTool D1 and D1 Pro. Right? So here are the more detail of the purifier. So it's a pre-filter, middle filter and the main filter, and shows how it works. Yeah. Right, so it has a low noise dB lah. It's less than 55 dB. It has 3-stage filtration, and it's compatible with xTool laser engravers. Seal design, prevent smoke leaking, and pre-assemble and mix. Right, so I think with this we have come to an end to our NPI product for today.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, as usual, you can always come to the product page here to know more about the detail of the product. And for this product, the actual price is 3,460 ringgit, and currently we are giving 50% off for this product. So you can grab this for 2,941 ringgit. So you have 7.5 days more before the offer ends, and 2 more in stock before the stock lasts. Right, so with this we have come to an end, and yet we need to do 2 more giveaway.
Yes.
So I think for the giveaway, Hairil will start to do the spinning. So everyone, please be ready to respond once if you're lucky and your name is called. So
okay, so let's continue. I forgot to take the other price. Yeah, but the last price is the power adapter. I got power adapter. So for the second price, we'll get the seats, multi-color flash LED. Let's go.
Oh, it's Jackie Chai.
Jackie Chai from Facebook.
Jackie Chai, just now we saw you here, so make sure to respond. So you are the second winner for today. So I think we need to start the countdown as well. So we'll start from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I think Jackie Chai already left. Okay,
so we need to
move forward for other winners.
Other winner, yep. So let's spin. Edwin Teo from FB. I think Jackie Chai just responded, but we can't do this one. So really sorry.
Yeah. Sorry, Jackie Chan, I think
Really
the
glue in
countdown
our
already
spell.
finished. Yeah.
Yeah. Edwin Teo, are you here? Edwin Teo? I think he's a new member. Edwin Teo. So let's do the countdown as well.
Yes.
So 8. Sorry, 10, 9,
9, 8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. So no response as well.
From the picture.
So we need to.
For the picture, I'm not sure if the StreamYard problem or
Yeah, but
because everyone replied that they saw the picture response, right? So I think maybe it should be a problem lah. I think so lah.
Did you think because of the lagging?
Yeah, because Kylie and Peng said that he saw picture response, so
okay.
it's okay lah. We can give this one for the picture and we have the last prize for the next spin. Yeah.
Sure.
Really,
Or maybe next time we try to increase the second. Maybe for today we do it 10 also. Maybe the next NPI we start to a bit more the time.
Yes. Okay. So the picture you can contact me and give your details. And not contact me lah. Contact Dennis.
Yep. So let's do the final spin.
Final spin for the last prize.
Silver Chua.
Silver pula. Sorry typo. Silver Chua. Silver Chua. The last NPI giveaway winner.
Yeah. So let's
start the countdown.
Yep. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6.
You already responded. Yeah. You're the final winner for today. Yeah. I think Saifulko asking why. I think you were a winner for the first one. We were calling you just now for the first.
Yeah, but you're not responding. You're Yes.
You're the first. I think first winner, right? Just now for the first one.
Yeah, for the first winner.
First one we waited.
We already have all the winners, which is the first one is Teko. Yeah.
Teko.
Right?
Yeah, Teko.
Teko, Jackie Chai. Silver Chua.
Yep.
Yes. So please contact us and give your details. So that's all.
That's all. Yes, I know.
Just a bit teaser for the next NPI Live. We will give special prize, which is Raspberry Pi product. Official Raspberry Pi product. Yeah. This is the grand prize lah. So stay tuned for the next NPI Live.
Alright, so thank you to all for joining us for today, and sorry for delaying it a bit 10 minutes off from our normal time. So we shall meet in next NPI with more interesting product. Like Hairil mentioned, there's going to be the grand prize will be a official Raspberry Pi product. So don't forget to book your calendar once we are out, the live poster is out. Don't forget to book your calendar. So that's all for today, and thank you for joining with us. We shall meet in 2 weeks time. Signing off from you, Hussein. And
Bye bye.